Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Team Fortress 2 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload or publish your created items on this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Team Fortress 2 game on your device. And once you open it up, you will end up within the main menu. From here, if you wish to upload your creations, then tap on the workshop icon at the bottom section. Now within this page, you will need to click on Publish New Item, which will now open up your published page. Just enter the title of your item, and you may enter the description within the description box as well. In order to upload the file, click on the Browse menu and just navigate to the file directory and open up the file. Now within the Type menu, you can choose the item type. Now apart from image, if you have a map file, a cosmetic item file, or any other file, you can click on the appropriate buttons. Once you have uploaded your file, just click on the Submit button, and this will now upload your creation to the server. And there you have it. That is how you can publish or upload your own creation on the Team Fortress 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.